Hi guys, this is Jonas. I'm at work at shit at night because I don't have any money, so I have to work at awful times. It's 1:30 something in the middle of the night while I'm recording this. I don't have a lot of money, so I have to work this shitty shift to pay the rent. This is, well, it's not my office, but it's where we dress. I sit in a company for Conne, it's called. It's an elevator firm. So when someone's stuck in the elevator, I'm calling out some technicians and sending them away, and the rest of the time I'm just bored. You know that feeling. So I've written some few posts this tonight about Simon Cowell and about Paula Abdul. Read them, share them, comment them, everything. Every response is great. The rest of the night I'm going to blog some more, maybe about Empower Network, a company I joined. It's actually great. You get 100% commissions. I haven't got any yet, unfortunately, but I have only been in the company for about 4 or 5 days, 10 maybe. So so I hope soon to make some money, so I don't have to sit this crappy job all day long and all night long. It's let me see, 17, it's a 15-hour shift, so yay. But it'll be alright. Yes. Do we have anything else? No, I don't think so. Oh, one thing. It's a little dark in here, but do you remember these? Yes, that's right. These old crappy shit machines. That's what we have here. Old crappy shit machines. Not like the new laptops and all like that. Old shit. Yes, but I think it's all for now. Bye.